Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar CAD just kept on going up as the market opened this week. I think you have to go up to like the daily time frame to really see what's going on right here because I still think that this is an impulsive down by structure. I still think it's a wave one. I think this is an A. I think this is a B right to the 78% for a wave B. And now I think we're heading back up for a C. I think this is an ABC of two. And then once that two is over, we potentially are going to start a huge downtrend for the higher time frame wave three. So keeping that in mind, we are very likely going to be trending up for quite some time, probably at least a whole week or so. And I would definitely be recommending longs. I wouldn't be trying to go long now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now either because it could just keep on drifting up. All I know is that when and if it does make another pullback is where I will be looking to get in again for the possible continuation of this uptrend. The trend is year fed, and I would expect it to at least go up and take out the high of wave A to make a wave C. I think it's an ABC of wave two on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.